how you can easily enable your chat settings or fix your chat settings in Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily enable your chat settings or fix your chat settings in Roblox. So if you're trying to play any game and you want to chat with other people in the game, you can just go ahead and click on the chat icon at the top left over here. And you can start typing on the chat and people will be able to see your chat over here. But if you don't see this chat option, there are some settings that you need to change. So what I'm going to do is simply go back over here to my Roblox. So I'll just tap on the Roblox icon at the top left and then leave the game. Once you leave the game, you'll be on your home screen. Now from your home screen, you can just tap on more icon down below and then find your settings. Scroll down and find settings and tap on it. Once you go to settings, you can go to account info, and right below that you have security. And if you tap on the security tab, you'll have your privacy control over there as well, where you can manage your chats. Now from here, you want to select communication and then go to experience chat. Since I have selected the chat to everyone, that's why I was able to chat in the game. So if you have set this to no one, you could just go to everyone. You can change this for your direct chat as well. But I'll just keep it no one for now and go back. Then you want to go to party and make sure that from the party, make sure you select connections, and on group party, make sure you select connections as well. And once you do that, you should be able to simply change your chat settings, and you should be able to chat in any game you want, where the game supports chats, obviously. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Be sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.